Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XSPA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, but really to summarize this quickly, which the 30-minute time frame does a great job of, this was, a pump and dump, gap and trap, whatever you want to call it. If maybe you're new and you're not familiar with what a gap and trap is, better illustrate that. So on Tuesday, the price closed right there. This morning, Wednesday, the price opened right there. Price ran up. Some poor souls actually bought right there. And then from there, just flushed all the way down here. And then as far as a pump and dump, why would I call this a pump and dump? Well, think about it. The price started right there, and it made a great move up. Actually, let me change the color so this stands out here a little bit better. So the price started there, and it made a great move up. It went all the way up there. But think about it. By the time the closing bell had rung on the very same day, the price actually closed below it where it even started. So gap and trap, pump and dump, either of those work. And, that would be the best way to summarize today's price movement. As far as, interesting areas going forward, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, that I'm sure you've seen stocks that really do get beat down and, have kind of this pump and dump price action. And they can produce some very interesting bounces to the upside. And the price did stabilize out here right around $1.60. So just because it started to go sideways finally at $1.60 does not mean that this is for sure the bottom, but it's at least logical to question, maybe this is the bottom. Whereas if the price was just still going straight down, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, this could be the bottom, you would be totally justified in saying that doesn't make any sense. Why would you say that it's the bottom? It's literally still just going straight down. But at least with this sideways price movement, it becomes a rational thought to throw out there. Now, there's no such thing as a guarantee, so nobody can say this is a guaranteed bottom. But you know what? Maybe $1.60 is some sort of bottom here, and it can get some sort of snapback movement to the upside. So in that event, that could create a nice little trading opportunity. But if the price just crashes down through $1.60, well then, just kind of the pump and dump continues at that point in time. But overall, interesting setup going into Friday. Remember, the markets are closed for Thursday for Independence Day. So we'll see how this one continues to play out and see if this is any sort of bottom or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.